Alright, today we got a 2006 Chevy Trailblazer. Customer complaint, these are misfires, especially on a cold start in the mornings. Check engine light starts flashing. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to bring you along and show you. We're going to find this intake manifold leak using our fuel trims on a scanner and a can of brake clean. So if you can see, our short-term and long-term trims are pretty high, 24%. The short-term before messing with it was also around 25%. And I'm just going to take some brake cleaner here and shoot it towards the back of the intake manifold over here, and we'll see those short-term numbers start to come down. So we bring our short terms down almost all the way to zero just by introducing a fuel source. So if you've got an issue running rough, especially in the mornings or on a cold start, check out those intake gaskets. Thanks for watching.